Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Weekly already in the building. Stanford, what's going on, y'all? Please don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. It's a Monday, man. It's one of them Mondays where you've been working all weekend. What's up, Karsten? Been working all weekend, and you come in with all these aspirations and thoughtful ideas. So should be an interesting day. Let's get the old hype rate going. They got some new features for this thing. They got like an EKG thing I was thinking about checking out, but we'll just do the regular one for today. Man, so how's everybody's weekend? I got RLMD, which is like a far stretch from pre-market high at this point, so I'm not really expecting that thing to do anything. An ounce is oversubscribed. I remember I saw an oversubscribed catalyst last week that did nothing. Actually, I feel like it did this exact thing and went up pre-market, and then that was that. Nice. That's what's up, Carson. I was thinking about my risk management last week. I had 4 red days and 1 no trade day, and I finished up minus 4R, which is like, wow. Yeah. I've had plenty red days where I lost 4R in one day. So to lose 4R over a stretch of 4 red days is like really good. Really good for me. So, yo, what up, Rob? RLMD 52-week high. Yeah, over what's this level? I got 722. Yeah, I got it marked out. See if we can get back up there, Rob. Man, Rob, I spent a lot of time this weekend thinking about not giving back profits, and I plan to be a bit more aggressive with defending my break even and collecting my profits. And you know, it's clicking. You know, I'm in a margin account. I can jump back in if needed. So yeah, man, I'm a ride the way up, and then I'm gonna get out and let it pull back. Let it pull back without me. I don't need to be there for all that. You know. So we'll see how it goes, man. We will see how it goes. But yeah, so RLMD, I got UMAC, which is pretty light, and got some resistance levels to run into as well. So not really super excited about this one, and it's, you know, 4th green day up. I don't know. Hims, I don't like the daily on Hims. I really don't like being below the 200, but it's just clearly in play. It's clearly in play. It gapped up Friday after hours, and I mean, major gap up. So holding on to your butt. What up, Pond? I see you doubled up your risk this week, Pond. About to get some big bucks. I'm feeling so good coming into this week. I had to talk myself down from jumping up to $10 risk. I'm gonna just walk the ladder, man. The ladder makes so much sense to me, and it would have saved me so much heartache and lost money if I would have stuck to the man. If when Ben first sent me that dang on ladder, I just wish I jumped on it right in that moment, man. It took me like minutes. I know, Pond. But we're here now. I'm gonna walk the path. I think
RLMD.
I was thinking about it on the way to work.
RLMD. RLMD. RLMD.
Sheesh. All right, we gotta put some kind of delay. Some kind of delay. We don't need rapid fire alerts that much. Don't repeat the same symbol for, I'll say, 15 seconds at least. That was loud, my bad. Let me turn it down a bit more. All right. Yes, sir. Watch the shorts. Yo, Bobby, what's going on, brother? Appreciate you, man. First member of the Sniper Squad. I'm contemplating a rebrand, but I need to be profitable first. So, also check out my addition to level 2. I've put orders over 5,000 will pop up with a black background. Stand out for me.
HIMS.
Is that really loud too? Probably. My bad. All right, UMAC got Slizapped. Oh, but it's still okay.
SOC.
UMAC looking wild.
XPEV. EC.
UMAC.
Slizapped. Oh, is it quiet? It does look
SOC.
quiet, right?
XPEV. SRPT. CW.
Eardrums blasted. My bad.
PBR. RDW.
Oh,
XPEV.
this is wild.
LI. SRPT. BC.
Nah, fam. The Momo scanner go brr. Scanner.
SRPT.
SOC.
RDW. KC.
STUB.
RDW.
UMAC.
RCAT. TMC. SWBI.
STUB.
Wow, look at this bounce back on
BHVN.
UMAC. Wave Rider. Yeah, Bobby. I spent a lot of time on level 2 this weekend.
SLDB.
STUB.
A lot of time.
TMC.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I thought it didn't need to be as big because I'm not doing the small caps.
SLDB.
Day 3 bracket to scanner. Nah,
SWBI.
STUB.
Really? It does look more quiet. I feel like last time. Let me get closer. It does look quiet. I got my decibels all the way up.
SWBI.
Everything plugged in good. Let's check. Yeah, everything's plugged in.
VG.
Volume's all the way up.
PBRA.
What can I do
AMPX.
to adjust my output?
PBR.
I'm about to turn the scanner off though. I don't really
STUB.
I don't really need the alerts like that right now. It's doing a lot. LHRC. What's up, OG? Is that the right LHRC? It must be a different order there, Fulton. LHRC. My platform said nope. Sell DB again. Look at that. That's actually a pretty nice little spot right there, right over pre-market high. Just ain't got no volume, dog. Appreciate it, Bobby. Hit that like button for me, guys. We got 16 in here already. Man, I really want to take that right here off of this pre-market high right here. Get a dip down, but this ain't it. It's kind of it. Straight to the top, Bobby. Spy's looking. I don't know what to think about the spy. Man, it's LTV. Looks like the watch list is falling apart. Give it some time. This thing got such a long way to go to get in play for me. I don't think it's going to happen. It makes sense for a lot of profit taking to be happening on hymns though, after the massive action from Friday. This patience on RLMD, yeah. I mean, patience gonna be enough to make that work. Dang, bruh. That would have been a cool I just don't want to trade stuff that's this thin though. That's the thing about it. I want millions of shares. Millions of shares traded. We might get a little if this thing could break up. This thing could be fun. Stream volume is lower than usual. I see it too. That sucks. Testing. Um, I don't know. Still not getting even close to the top of the monitor thing. Yeah, I mean there is. Oh, my bad. All right, we good. Yeah, I had the wheel turned the other way. My bad. Operator error there. Yeah, he was right, Carson. My bad. All right, we good. Cool. Nah. Sorry, I cleaned my whole little station over the weekend and moved everything around. So, yeah. We got some new stuff up here. LXEO. It's interesting. No volume. I need to put a volume thing on this because, bruh. D. See, that's why I don't mess with them no volume joints. Green is still good. Man, Bobby, my whole perspective has changed. My whole perspective. SLDB starting to look real interesting. It reminds me of Dom on Fast and the Furious. Doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning is winning. Man. See if we can get a higher low pullback on this thing over pre-market high. Might have to rock with it. Yeah, I'm just, bro. I was spending a little time reflecting on how many times I was in profit and closed red, like good profit, like 2R plus. Just like, dang, man. Like I could at least break even, man. Like, come on, fam. But I was just like, part of it was like a psychology I developed from trading in the zone, which was accepting the risk when you put it out there. And I think that's I got some good things from that mentality, but also it's like, if it's working, like, I don't know. I guess there's all kind of different ways to play it, you know. Um, I just think for me, I don't need to give it that much room. Yeah, I know, man. Them 2 hour days add up a lot. What's in play in the oil sector? Didn't seem like it was oops. I know seemed like the only like smaller cap was but BATL that was going off. Three weeks, bro. It's because I'm looking at SLDB over 50. 53 to be exact. But if that 20 get out the way at 750, I'll be very interested.
Order filled.
Pretty wide stop, so hopefully we get some legs on this thing. Turb for energy. Boy, look at the spread on that thing. Disgusting. Can we take it out? 760. Yeah, spread is nasty. There we go. Tighten that up a bit. 60 on the bid is real nice. Bruh, relax.
Order filled.
Bruh, the ask is super stacked, ain't it?
Order filled.
Dang. I sure wanted that 819. Still sitting there on the ask. Ask ain't looking bad at all, but the spread is crazy. It's tightening up. Come on, bids. Man, I wanted one more fill up there. 93.
Order filled.
I wish they would have gave me my 819, bruh. 33 sitting on 810. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go. Go. Go.
Order filled.
All right, we out of there. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You better come on back down here first. Thanks, Knives. All right. Thanks, Karsten. Yeah, I know, man. I want to be getting back right now. Look like it's holding, but where is this? Yeah, it'll be all right. We'll be all right. It's pretty significant volume up here, so we'll let it calm down a bit. Yeah, I was seeing 810, man. It just had to wake me out first. I thought I had my stop at 92. It say the low is 93. That's cold blooded, bro. Cold blooded. Need that thing back down around 88 or 75 ish. Maybe we could try again. Yeah. Indeed, man. Let this 5-minute candle close. See what it's talking about. Honestly, if I don't take another trade today, we cool. Right? Like I want to tell myself that. I want to give myself permission that the day is won, you know? And unless there's like a really good setup, which probably I'm gonna need a red candle on the 5, to be honest. I'm not gonna get in after this big old wide range green candle at the top right here. So a pullback to 75-ish would be nice. You know. So I'm chilling. We chilling. Man, I wanted that 819 print though, man. The volume is just so thin on this thing right now though. If that thing was churning, I would have got that feel and it would have been way sweeter. But it's pretty sweet. This actually looks really nice, you know. Nice entry. Good executions. Yeah. If y'all could do me a favor though, hit that like button. Por favor. What route am I using? I use a Smart L, I think. Let's see here. Or Arcal. I think Arcal. I don't know why it doesn't let me look at this while my platform's up anymore. I always gotta minimize it. Control X. Smartle. Huh. I think I would rather use Arcal, actually. Huh. Yeah, I think I want to change that. Oh, that's from copy paste. It used to be Arcal for sure, but I recopied from like my template. Man, that's a great question to ask. Karsten. That might be why I've been getting jacked up. All right, where you at? Come on. Dang. Chop, chop. You done, Knives? You still got a little room left. I wish this thing would pull back. Yeah, my broker kicks me out at I guess 5R. Yeah, if I go past my personal max loss is 3R. If I start wilding out, they'll kick me out at 5R. Which I would bring my broker. I want my broker stop to be the same as my stop, but it feels awkward to ask him to make my max loss $6. That's the only reason I haven't done it. Last time I asked him to make my max loss that low, he was like, I don't think that's enough. I was like, please, bro, I need it. Save me from myself, bro, please. All right, finally getting a pullback down here to this high. I think 75 is going to be a better number. I think VWAP might be actually the move. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See if we can find some support somewhere. don't seem to be caring about 88 over here. Yeah, let's see if we care about 75. Yep, there it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, 804. Nice order right there. Can we get the bid up over that? That's a nasty entry though, man. That's the thing about it. That's the thing about it. Wish I could have gotten a better entry on my first trade. It could have been way better. Thanks, Knives. Yeah, it is. It's holding up, though. It's holding up. But yeah, I mean, it would be nice if we could at least be over 1 million shares traded. The spreads are still ridiculous too. Honestly, this ain't even worth it, bro. Let's see what else we got going on here. Scanner's actually pretty populated. LXEO. Also super thin. Per. Well, look at that. Daily trash though. 12%. That might be it today, man. $804 is looking nice though. I just the spread, man. Lame. I mean, but like look at it on the 5 though. Aside from the volume, it's looking really nice structure wise. Got all the volume coming in on the green candles, light on the. I'm taking break 804, man. We're just gonna have to find out. Spread's getting a little tighter. 5 cent now. If the bids will chase it up, man, I feel way more comfortable. They're not stepping up at all. They stepping up a little bit. 804 disappeared. They spoofing. Ask -1 or ask minus. It might be a decimal. It just shoots it just under the ask. which could be scary because I can get slipped up pretty high. Yeah, I get rebates. That's why I use our cow. I get rebates, ECN rebates. 804 again. I think I'm gonna go with a semi-wide stop and then for my risk, but I'm gonna tighten it up as soon as I get in if it don't hold 804. So I'll just lose a little bit if it don't pop. You missed 5 fills? Oh man. That stuff will make you flip tables right there, boy. Yeah, I don't think that's what I'm looking for. All right. 780, 779, 2, low. Yo, Muhammad Nadeem, what up, bro? HH. We trying, man. What's up, Siege? Okay, hold on now. What's this? I can load on one for sure. Okay, getting some buying here at the WAP. We gotta take out yeah, it's gonna have to put some work in for sure. OPTX. Super weak sauce. The sauce of weakness. How we doing on the likes, people? Hit the like, please. What them likes looking like, Bobby? Bobby. Dang, my bad, focus. I forgot. Where you at? Okay, I see you, bro. My bad. My bad. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna take another trade on this. I'm gonna wait though. I'm not just gonna randomly take another trade, but it's just holding up really well. And we'll just see what this bounce off VWAP looks like. It's just really not worth it. If I take a trade on this and I get stopped, I know I'm gonna be like, bro, the volume was too thin. The volume was too thin, bro. Damn you. It's over with. Where's my report card? Wait, let me take some screenshots. Let me take some screenshots. Let's get some screenies. Get some screenies. It's just obvious, bro. And I gotta see the red flags when they're there. I can't ignore the red flags. That's mad toxic behavior. It's looking good though, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. But it's just not, it's not A plus. It's not A plus. And I got my 2R. It's just I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. It's just not necessary, bro. And these are the types of things that I have to do to get to the other side. This is the stuff that's missing that I can't control. I can never control. So if I control it, might be able to get there. Where's my pages? March 9th. March 9th. Man, I turn 40 tomorrow. How'd I do today? A plus? What I learned and improved on today. I don't know if discipline's the word. What did I improve on today? The big 4-0. Yeah, man. The big 4-0, bro. 67? Dang, Wave Rider. I knew you was an OG. I think we might have talked about this before. Yeah, man. No longer the dirty 30s. I don't know what 40s are. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, though. More O than G. I know when I was 25 and I met somebody that was 40, I was like that Kevin Hart, like, damn. 40. You old as hell, bro. But I feel good. Like I'm actually like physically in the best shape I've ever been in. And more wise than I've ever been for sure. So, it's not a bad place to be, I don't mind it at all. I don't mind it at all. I feel like 40 to 60 can be super lit. Like imagine becoming a rich day trader right now at 40. bro, the next 20 years will be hella lit, bro. Traveling, like, bro, everything, man. So, yeah, ain't nothing wrong with being 40. I'm chilling. All right. What did I learn and improve upon today? Rich. What up, Pon? What is that Rich in the room with us? uh, oh, what I improved upon today, huh? Hey, that's what's up, Knives. Yeah, bro. Tomorrow's another day, bro. See some better opportunities tomorrow, man. Now, just one entry though. Just one entry. Man, I wanted that 819 feel so bad. ah, haters, bro. Right. Yeah, Monday can be wild for sure. Like you said, you got all these traders like me who've been studying all weekend and coming into the market all hot and ready to go. uh, changes I need to make from today. Yeah. Yeah, that's the beauty of the one. That's the beauty on the one. The reason the one is difficult for me when the I realized the one is difficult in a range, but when you're breaking out and volume is good, although volume's kind of trash on this, but when you're breaking out outside of a range, it cleans up a lot and it's just easier to trade. And so I was trading stuff that wasn't in play every day almost. Like I would if even if I had something on play in play on my watch list, I would still fill my other charts up with stuff that's not in play, and I would end up trading those and doing terrible. And yeah, and that really made me feel like the one was bad, like 1 minute bad, 1 minute bad, 5 minute good. But it's not like that. I think each time frame has its you know, has its purposes. Like the one to me is super solid at the open, and even dialing in your entry when I'm playing the five later in the morning. The one is just it's a lot of really good data on the one. You can see where the volume's coming in. It's good, and I just have so much experience reading the one that it doesn't really make sense to throw it away. And again, like when Golden Goat was like, "What are you trying to achieve hiding information in behind the five?" Well, because this was a breakdown. Like this is too weak to just buy the bottom for me. I need to see I need to see a higher low after something like this. So we get back, test pre-market high again, and then come back to VWAP, and then we start kicking some nice buyer volume in here. That's where I want to be. Yeah, I need my executions got to be above pre-market high, and they got to be above VWAP. I'm trying to stand on that. So plus I wanted the 50 break, but I really wanted the 53 break because that's the high of this high volume candle right here. So I just wish I could have gotten a little tighter of an entry. This could have been really like bananas if I had a like nice narrow range entry. That could have been like, this could have been easily, you know, 4 or 5R on a better entry. But, you know, just take what I get. Don't pitch a fit. I mean, it would be cleaner if the chart was cleaner, bro. It's like low volume, like this, like if this failed, I would have been mad at myself, honestly. Cause I mean, structurally it looked great. Like just seeing what's happening here. Like what's happening. We get a nice move up over pre-market high, come back into VWAP, get some nice, you know, nice slam, little double bottom back to back. And we break back through pre-market high and then come hold VWAP. Like that's actually a really nice structure, but the volume is not great, you know. But you know, I see no low volume movers move, so I felt okay taking it. But I mean, to be honest, because of the volume, you can't say this is A plus, you know. But the structure to me was A plus, but the volume just not great, you know. Oh yeah, you got your bot active already, Knives? Hmm. Yeah, yeah. You know, I'm okay with waiting for confirmation, bro. I'm not trying to catch knives. This would be this buying this right here is a falling knife. Like this is, you know, that's a lot. And you know, I may get that gangster at some point, but I'm just it's not necessary to me. I'll pay a little bit more for my higher low and my confirmation of the uptrend. I'm willing to pay a little more for that. Just to that's how I weed out, you know, the bad trades. You know, this is a tweak that helps my accuracy, helps me weed out the downtrends, you know. So oh yeah, yeah, this is definitely an A plus situation for sure as far as execution. But I'm just like the setup, you know, the it can't be A plus if it could be better. Like, you know, it would be better if it had volume, if it was churning, you know, 100,000 shares a candle. Yeah, for sure, Carson. So that's why I feel like I can have a decent like a high accuracy and a high RR. Um, because I'm not just buying like, okay, whenever it comes to VWAP, then I just buy it. Like it has to. There's a lot of things that have to happen. You know. Yeah. No. This is to me. This is a broken slot machine. Like that concept. I think does Roland teach that broken slot machine? Like gap up over resistance. Um, at the open, we move up over pre-market high and retest pre-market high and VWAP. Like that's it works a lot, you know. It works a lot. But the difficult thing is to be patient for it because it's not going to be there every day. And along with being patient, not um trading crap in the midst of that patience, you know, like actually sitting on hands. Yeah, bro. What up, Trey? Yeah, man. Came, I saw, I conquered and shut it down, brother. There was nothing. There was nothing rolling. Changes I need to make. What do I need to change? Close the platform down faster. I don't know. Oh man, I appreciate you, Brian. Yeah, man. It was a short session, but you know, we got to the mission was accomplished. The mission was accomplished. Um I need something for changes I need to make from today. Which I got. Is that what I would put for changes I need to make from today? Hmm. Man. Nah, how old are you, Pond? Yeah, tons to improve on for sure. Um, Um, what's the SPY doing today? You never tell. The market's putting years on you though, Pond. What the market do today? What's the SPY talking about? Do we gap down? Yo, oh gosh, 660s? D. D. Ah. All right, we got SLDB. Snap plus 1.94 R on them. Yeah, boy. Market cap. $525M. Float 37. Resistance. What did I have for resistance on here? Is it 833? No. All right. Nope, I am not opening the platform. SLDB, okay. 733, that's what it was. 733. 737. That's where that 810 came from right there. Mm-hmm. I guess it's not really day one. What was today? It's definitely not day one. Um, okay, so this was news on March 6th. Momo Day. So day two. Oh, this that oversubscribed private placement. 100 in market years. Man, yeah, me too, weekly. It's dangerous out here, man. 1 for 3. How'd you do on the 20 trade challenge though, Trey? Is this a can you put this day in the bag? You down to 16 now? I think is the number. Nice. Took all 3 setups. My man. My man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We getting there, y'all. This gonna be our year, man. This our summer. This our summer. God willing. Um, all this. Oh, that's weird. We can just turn that off. Nope. I mean, I would have been happy to take more trades. I really was hoping that more volume would come into SLDB and we would, I could definitely see it moving back over 8 and pulling back and giving me a nice entry. But it's just too thin, man. I didn't want to have the regret of taking something that I knew wasn't ideal. You know, I got my one trade off, made out with that. Got the old snatch and grab. I'm out of there, man. I ain't coming back to grab another bag of chips. You know. Yeah. Uh, right. Report card. All right. Hey, we did it. We did it. Oh, there's one day, wouldn't I say, of thousands to come. Just gotta do it again tomorrow, man. Oh. But that's what I was doing in the replay sim, man. Waiting for that pre-market high to break, waiting for the pullback, and finding my entry, hitting in, and selling it on the way up. As soon as it pulls back, I'm out. You know, and then you just wait for the next setup. Or not, you know. You just shut it down and you know, let that be that. Let that be that. Yep. Yeah, I know, man. And I've been really disrespecting the prophet, you know, by just staring at it, man. I appreciate all you guys that's been on my head about that and begging me to sell. It took a while, but you guys wore down on me. You guys finally wore me down. Finally hitting the sell button. Wore me down. Let's take a old peek. It's kind of funny how it's going though, like the journal as far as this month. On the cusp. Yeah, you know, and I just a big part of what's been happening, Knives, is just trying to find alignment with self. You know, it's like I got these ideas and you know what I want, which is, you know, of course, all the money. I want the biggest R's possible, and I want to be right every time. But like in real life, I have tolerances and you know, things that I do well and things that I don't do well. And I'm just, you know, just been trying to figure that out, and it's really has been hard to do without the work. You know, like the DRCs have been super game changing, man, super game changing, and yeah, I really feel like it's been helping me really like make actual progress. Um, Even though I know Trey feels like I'm just tumbling down the rabbit hole still, but I really feel like it's been an evolution more than a revolution, like revolving in a circle, not like overthrowing the government. But yeah, I like this. I like not holding because I want to reach some imaginary target that I've set in my mind, but finding a good entry and playing the chart and you know, getting selling that first leg, and when it pulls back, just get out and wait and see what happens. You know. Well, I'm just like all week I've been, you know, probably all month. I mean, I've constantly been making like big tweaks though, you know. Um I mean it looks like rabbit hole for sure. Like it it is rabbit hole, but it's just it's the right one, I think. You know, it's the one that leads to where I'm trying to go. Not to change one thing till the end of this month. Yeah. Was I red last month from not selling more frequently? Um, Probably not. I was red last month from crashing out 3 days, losing like 15 R 3 times, along with all my other red days. But it was necessary. I learned a lot from those kind of days, believe it or not. But yeah, man, we're just kind of -3, -2, -1, -0.5, no trade day, and then today we're green. What the rest of these days will look like. Yeah, no doubt. The focus for sure is the daily, the stock selection, number one, which has improved a lot, and the intraday setup too. Not not settling when my playbook trade isn't there. You know, the I synced it trades and the gut feeling trades and all that kind of stuff. You know, um, yeah. I can't wait till tomorrow when I can see a green square up here. Journal be dark, boy. Yeah, see, last month actually wasn't that bad. And last month could have been great, but discipline was just not there yet. Just just wasn't there yet. But we've had a great start. Great start to March. Got that no trade day supercharge, that discipline supercharge right there. So I think we're in a good spot. The scanner's nice. I don't think I'm gonna need the ghost scans, man. They were doing like way too much for my brain. And yeah, just my plain old top gainer scanner with my 200 EMA filter, my 20 million float filter, and my $4 to $25 filter, and the 10% gap filter. Like, that's all a brother need, man. That's all a brother need. So the test for sure is going to be those days where there's nothing to trade. But I think I'm coming around to that. Um, my best days have always been the 1 or 2 trade days, not the 4, 5, and 6 trades in a day. So just need one. Just need one. But yeah, man. Guess I'll get out of here, you guys. Um, Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Y'all want to come hang out with the gang. And come back tomorrow and do it again, man. All right, y'all. Peace.